Hello, boys and girls. Today our story is called Happy Halloween, Stinky Face. Happy Halloween, Stinky Face. Written by Lisa McCourt. Illustrated by Sid Moore. "It's time to get your costume on, Stinky Face," said Mama. "But I had a question." "Mama, what if Mrs. Petrie doesn't know it's really just me and my friends at her door? What if she gets so surprised from our super scary costumes that she throws her candy bowl up and it lands on her head and candy spills all over?" "If Mrs. Petrie gets scared, you'll have to show her what a nice trick-or-treater you are. If you say please and thank you and help her pick up the candy, she'll know you're not too terrible." But Mama, what if Reese's butterfly costume turns her into a real butterfly and the big wings flap her right up into the sky?" "That would be awesome. She'd get a great view of all her friends in the neighborhood costume parade." "But Mama, she won't be able to ring any doorbells if she's flying up in the air. How will she trick or treat?" "If Reese's costume turns her into a real butterfly, I bet she'll flutter down to door level to trick or treat with you. Reese loves candy, you know." But Mama, Jack and Anderson are pirates. What if they can't see so well with those eye patches on and they run into each other and their hooks get all caught together?" "Oh, if that happens, then Alex the magician will have to wave his magic wand to get the pirates all unstuck." "Brian is going to be a lion, Mama. Lions run really fast. What if he runs so fast that we can't keep up with him to trick or treat together?" "Well, isn't Ryan going to be a football player? Football players run very fast too. Maybe he could catch up and ask the lion to wait for everyone." "But Mama, Allie is going to be a witch and collect candy in her black cauldron. What if the magic cauldron boils all her candy into a goopy, oozy river of candy soup?" "If that kind of magic happens, we'll all blow on Allie's cauldron of candy soup to help her cool it off. Then we'll give her a big twisty straw so she can slurp her candy right up." "Okay, Mama, that's a good idea. But what if Lily Kate, who is a black cat, gets her long tail stuck in the door at one of the houses?" "Firefighters are good at rescuing cats. Maybe Jordan could save her since he's a firefighter this year." But Mama, what if the candle in our jack-o'-lantern blows out? What if we accidentally walk into some big sticky cobwebs and get all tangled up? What if my teeth get stuck in my caramel apple and I can't get my face loose? What if lots of bats come swoop down on us in the dark? Lucky for you, Nicholas and Ethan are superheroes. I'm pretty sure superheroes have powers to fix all those problems. So, Stinky Face, let's go have some Halloween fun, okay? Maybe I should be a superhero too. Or maybe a gorilla. Or maybe a monster. Or... I hear your friends coming now. How about this year we stick with your ghost costume and we'll start worrying first thing tomorrow about what you'll be next year. Okay, happy Halloween, Mama. Happy Halloween, my goofy, spooky, stinky face. The end. Even though Stinky Face can think of a million things that could go wrong while trick-or-treating, Mama knows that no matter what happens, he's going to have the best night ever. I hope you enjoyed our story today, boys and girls. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.